Hello guys, this is Ranjit. You are watching Ranjit Tech Info and Unboxing channel. Now you are watching here HP 14 CF series laptop. That means it is 14 inches laptop. That problem is it is booting very slowly, and it works slow. So that's why I'm going to upgrade the PC. The customer came to here. My laptop is working slowly. What should I do, brother? So I'm going to upgrade this PC hard disk to HDD to SSD. So you can see I'm going to open the laptop with the password. See how slow it is. Almost it takes 2 minutes to open the laptop completely. Uh, See how much take it is going to open the laptop. Now it is buffering.
How much time?
Alright. See, still it is loading Windows. That is the problem. After since couple of days, the customer is facing this kind of problem. See, this is the problem. Still not it is not loading the system software. Actually, Windows 7 is simplest software, which is uh, boot very fast, and it works so simple. But after Windows 10 came, it works very slow, and after Windows 11, now the Windows 11 also it is very slow, because lot of updates will come to the every laptop which laptop will be connected to the internet. It takes more time to install the Windows updates. When you restart the system, sometimes it will take to update and restart, update and shut down the lap. That kind of message you will find out the any different laptops. So that is the main problem in every laptop. But in this situation, you have to upgrade the Windows, sorry, SSD. See in this video, this is the, I think, i5 or i3. You will find out. See how much time it is taking to boot, to open the window. Sorry, my English is not good, that's why I am troubling to explain with the process. See, this is I'm not speed the video. See, this is i3 10th generation laptop. It has 4 GB RAM. It has 4 GB RAM. See, now I am going to shut down the laptop. When you open the laptop, that takes more time, so I will speed up the video. See, if you don't know how to open the laptop, you can see here. See, now I am speeding this video, two times speed this video. So you can, if you skip here, you can, if you are a technician, you can skip here. Otherwise, you will see how to open this laptop. See, this is the back side of this laptop. In HP laptop, you will see majority of the HP laptops, you will find out the rubbers. You have in latest laptops, so we have to remove the rubbers, and we have to screws gently, open the screws gently. See, this is like this. We have to open with the opener slowly. Sometimes it will break the panel, so be careful about when you are not technician. Slowly open the laptop. So like this you have to open. So this is the battery. You will find out the latest laptop M.2 slot. Actually, this is the green color. You will find out the HDD. See, this is the black color. It is a battery HD03XL. This is the new M.2 NVMe SSD 256 hard disk, I think. Yes. This is the Kingston SSD hard disk. If you have money, you can go to Samsung SSD, because it is a very popular model in in RAMs manufacturing and SSDs also. So this is the 1 TB hard disk you will find out here. This is the 1 TB WD hard disk. This is the normal hard disk, but mm, it is very, you will see after this you can find out the end of the video how fast it is. Now I am going to close this I am going to, this is the normal speed after installation of Windows 10. See the speed of the laptop. I am not speed this now the video. See, this is the speed of the SSD. See, within 3 or 4 seconds you will find out the display how fast it is booting. Now the laptop same, everything is same, but the because of the SSD you will find out the speed. See, you can see the Chrome how fast it is installing. At the same time I have installed the general softwares, all the softwares in this laptop. So if you like my video, if you like my work, you can definitely you should subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in to uh, learn computer hardware, you can follow my videos regularly. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye.